All right, today we are gonna make this absolutely fabulous mushroom pate. I love to keep this on hand. We want plenty of oil, and we're gonna put in about 1 pound of mushrooms. And we're gonna let it sit and get nice and brown. Do not stir. You can see they're turning brown and getting that nice roasty, toasty yumminess. I can smell them. Just delicious. We're gonna go ahead and add in the garlic. So that's about 5 cloves of garlic. And we're gonna add in 1 sliced onion. You don't need it to be too small because we're going to pulverize everything. So you want to only add in the onions and the garlic after the mushrooms have started to brown and have released most of their water. So you can see it's about a half and half mix of onions and garlic with the mushrooms. So I'm going to turn the heat down a little and let this get nice and caramelized. Okay, so now that everything is getting nice and browned and caramelized, we are going to throw in some soy sauce to deglaze and add a little bit of salt. Wonderful. We're going to throw in about 1 cup of walnuts. And again, you can use crushed pieces or halves or whatever you want. Let this get a little bit toasty. And we're going to add in some spices, a little bit of miso. Let this cook slightly. Let all the oils release. Trust me, this is so delicious. It has that fatty, unctuous, delicious umami flavor that every sandwich needs. Let this get a little toasty on low. And I will be back with the spices. All right, it's toasting, getting nice and fragrant. We're gonna add a couple of sage leaves, a little bit of marjoram, spoon of marjoram, a little bit of thyme, half a teaspoon of thyme, and if you wish, a little bit of Marmite. A half a or 1 teaspoon of Marmite. If you are allergic to nuts, you can also use black chickpeas instead of the walnuts here. They have a fatty umami flavor with healthy fats that helps to really boost the flavor here. So I alternate. It depends on what I have in the kitchen. If I have some cooked black garbanzo beans, I use those. If I have walnuts, I use that. So really very interchangeable. You just need something fatty and flavorful, and that will do it. So don't hesitate to make this if you don't eat nuts. All right, when this cools down, we're gonna pulverize it. All right, so here you have it. This fabulous mushroom and walnut pate that you will want to spread on all of your sandwiches